What if I told you there's a way to create animated story videos without showing your face and using just free tools you probably already have access to? Most people think you need expensive software, voice actors, or fancy gear, but they're missing something powerful hiding in plain sight. I've spent hours testing free AI tools in Canva to create a simple, repeatable process that you can use too. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to bring your story ideas to life, even if you've never edited a video before. Let's get started. In today's video, I'll show you how to create an amazing kids story video 100% for free using Canva and a few AI tools. First, I'll generate a story script using ChatGPT, and then I'll eventually bring it all together in Canva in just 5 easy steps. I'm going to show you a new feature that will help you so much when you're trying to create any kinds of videos. If you want to record something for free, this is definitely a good way to do it. First, I need a story, so I'll give it an idea and see what it gives me back. This looks pretty good. For now, I'll copy it and paste it back in here and ask ChatGPT to repeat it back to me. If you need to make changes, do that now. I'll show you why in a second. Now it's just repeated the story for me. Alright, so there's a little girl telling her friend a story all about her dad's most dangerous hike of all time. If you look down here at the bottom, you'll see many different buttons. But I really want to focus on is this one, the read aloud button. If you click on that one, you can have ChatGPT actually read the story back to you. Yep, ChatGPT can speak, even in free accounts right now. And here's the fun part. That's exactly what I want it to do. I'll show you how to set it up first. Inside my account, I'll go to Settings, then go to Speech. Here is where you'll find the different voices. If you wanted to hear what they sound like, click play. Let's listen to a few.
Hey there, I've got a really great feeling about us teaming up.
Hey, I'm ready to hit the ground running, so if there's anything you'd like...
And they all sound really good. I'll choose this one, and English. Now I'm all set up, but before I let ChatGPT read the text, I've got to find some way to record it because ChatGPT does not record the output. To solve this problem, I'll use FlexClip Online Free Screen Recorder. Sign up for a free account first. Now I'll scroll down here. You can record up to 60 minutes at a time and do editing and everything if you need to. But for now, I just want it to record. So I'll go back up here and click Start Recording. Then choose one of these. I'll choose this for now, and also System Audio. Then I'll choose the page I'll be reading with. Click on that.
Lily, an imaginative 8-year-old, invites her best friend, Mia, over to share her dad's legendary hiking adventure. She starts the story dramatically. It was the most dangerous hike of all time. Her dad had told her the story countless times, but in Lily's retelling, it takes on a life of its own.
Okay, so there's her story. Now I'll download it. If I wanted to edit it, I could, but for now, I'll click on Export. I'll keep it as is, and it will have a watermark, which doesn't really matter since I'm just going to be using only the recording anyway. So, export it. Now it's time to go to the next step. So I have an MP4 recording file, but I need MP3. So I'll go to Cloud Convert. This is also free. You can see I'm not even signed in. And when it's done, you'll see this. So download it. Now I'll go to the next step. Now it's time to put it all together. I'm in Canva. I'll go to Video, click on it, and open a new page. Next, I'll go to Uploads, dep my hiking story. I'll put my playhead here, then click to add it. I'll also add some new pages because I'll need them soon. I'm not going to make the whole story in this lesson because that would be too long, but I will make a few scenes to show you the overall process. So the first thing I'm going to do is put this playhead here. This is silent at the beginning, so I'll right-click on it, choose Split Audio, and delete that part. I'll go back to ChatGPT to refresh my memory about what happens next. Lily is talking about her dad's hiking adventure. Now I'll look for a playground background in Canva. I'll go to Elements and look in Graphics. Notice this is a paid picture. You could also choose a free one if you wanted to. Here's a tip. If you need only free images, go up here to these 3 little lines, click on that, and go down to Free and pick that. Then now everything you see will be free options. Easy peasy. I need to add a little girl. I like this little one, and she's in all different poses. I'll save a few to this blank page for later to make it easier. So that's the one little girl. I'll do the same thing for her friend. Time to make the scene where Lily is telling her little friend about her dad's adventure. This is my audio track. I'll take this and break it up to match the scenes. I'll right-click to split the audio where needed. Now I'll add another playground scene. I'll use the same image to keep it consistent, but change it to make it look different. In between the pages, I'll add a dissolve transition. For this little girl, I'll add an animation. I'll choose a wiggle and turn it way down. On this page, I'll add this little girl on the hopscotch board and animate her. Click on the B, hold down the mouse button, then drag her like that. Speed it up a little, then click Done.
Okay, so there you go. Now you have seen the whole process. Just keep repeating these steps until you finish your story. Once you're done, go to File, go to Download, make sure MP4 is chosen, then click Download. Now you can upload it to anywhere you want. So that's the process of creating a story completely for free. I hope you've enjoyed this video.
Lily, an imaginative 8-year-old, invites her best friend, Mia, over to share her dad's legendary hiking adventure. She starts the story dramatically. It was the most dangerous hike of all time. Her dad had told her the story countless times, but in Lily's retelling, it takes on a life of its own. She adds fantastical twists, turning the simple hike into an epic tale of bravery. Her dad's hike wasn't just a walk up a mountain. It was a quest to find a secret waterfall that no one else had ever seen.
And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.